Now on our New Zealand JPY for the week, by the way. So if you are new, please do not forget to subscribe on this channel to be able to get an update from us on our daily analysis. Now we will see our JPY at this point. Let's highlight some key level here. I will be highlighting. We are going to take here as like a false breakout. We can see our liquidity area here. We saw this fall. We can see our price reacting here. So we'll be taking here as kind of a bullish move, then a kind of like a ranging move. Then we'll take this low key area here where our price acted reversed, which our price reversed. So for the week, where do you think our price will be going? Is that we are still going to be going bullish to hit this our up area here. That is about 120 pips bullish move to go for the week before we actually get a drop. The reason that I said that is that if you are to see our JPY itself, our JPY index, we would say that we are waiting for a fall to where our price reversed from. As we can see that our price fell here, reversed, go up. We are actually waiting for a fall to hit it, so our price reverse fall. There's every possibility we would continue to go down. There's every possibility, but first of all, we would want to hit this our place where our price reversed from. So if our price decides to continue going bearish, no problem. If our price reverse to start going bullish, no problem. But first of all, we are getting a drop to hit this our lowest point here. So as we are getting a drop on our JPY index, definitely we'll be seeing a bullish move. That is why I said we'll be having bullish and 200 plus pips on our bullish a bullish move for our JPY. Then possibility our JPY continue to go bullish if our JPY index continues to drop. But if our JPY index continues to now changes direction, go bullish, then we should be seeing a drop on our New Zealand to our JPY, by the way. So a bullish move, first of all, about 120 plus pips before we can possibly see probably if our price will change direction or continue upward move. As you can see now, aiming to go bullish on our 4-hour time frame. So that is my analysis for the week. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video if you find it very helpful. Thank you.